Okay, so if you have ordered a micro Scout from us, you're going to get this charger and you're going to get these batteries. These are GMB 528 milliamp HV, which means high volt 2-cell LiPo batteries. If you look, it says HV right there, 4.35 volts per cell. 80C, 160C max. 2-cell, 7.6. So when you charge your batteries, you're going to be using the LiHV setting. Okay? So, something else that you should get this. We're trying to give these to everybody. If you did not get one of these, reach out to us and ask for one. This is a voltage reader, a voltage tester. It actually has more than one function. We can check our voltage with this, but then you can also set, by pressing this button, you can use it as a voltage alarm. Not many people do it these days because you have to leave it plugged in while you're flying, and so people lost these a ton. So they're not really used as a voltage alarm anymore, but they can be. But what I want to show you is this is discharged. This is not a charged battery. So I'm going to, again, if you look at the back, there is a negative. So this pin right here has to go to the negative of the balance plug. So that's the black, which is the negative, and then again, that's the negative. So we're just going to put it in like that. It's going to beep super loud. It says 2-cell, all, 7.6, 1, 3.78, 2, 3.81, all, 7.6. So it gives you the total voltage, then it gives you the voltage of each cell. So right now it's at 378 per cell and a 7.6 total. This one I've charged. I have used it a little because I tested some micros with it, but it's 2-cell, all 8.0. First cell is 4.0, second cell is 4.0. So at 4.3, you should have 8.6 volts, if that makes sense, because it should, fully charged, be at 4.35, and it's 2 cells, so that would be 8.7 technically. This was showing it to be reading around 8 volts, so 0.7 of it has been burned away through testing or hovering of micro Scouts. So top voltage 8.7, bottom voltage is what was it again? 3.7 and 3.7, so 7 something. What was it? Let's check it again. I've forgotten. All 7.5. So this is very helpful. It's going to tell you what your voltages are. All right, now with your charger, let's go ahead and unpack this. You should have a banana cable with an XT30. Right here. This is the instruction pad, instruction paper. And it's super simple. It gives you your instructions right here for charging LiPo, LiFE, and LiHV battery types. So we're just gonna go right along with that. We'll get our power cord here, get it set up, and get this guy. This is an extra. You can put a XT60, Dean's, whatever other connector you need. Just remember that the charger is only up to 4 cell. So, just so you can get familiar with this, we have LiPo, LiFE, LiHV, NIMH, and NICD, NiCad, metal halide, I forget what those are. But like I said, we'll be using the LiHV. 1A, 2A, 3A. Those are 1 amp, 2 amp, and 3 amp. For a 520 milliamp LiPo, you will never ever go over 1 amp. Again, these are for up to 4-cell batteries, and so that's why these higher amperage settings are available. But for what we're giving you, you will never ever leave the 1 amp setting. There's no need to go any higher than that. So we're just going to plug this puppy in. There we go. Give me a second to... Oh, I didn't think about the fact that it might not reach. So this, match up the colors like that. You're going to take power connector to here, and then on here 2, 3, 4, you're going to take the balance connector and go here, just like that. Okay, that's how you're going to hook them up. You're going to use your mode button to go to LiHV. You're going to have that at 1, and it should automatically start. It says here, push mode button to select proper charging battery type, which is the LiHV. Proper charging current, we want 1 amp. Connect the battery to the charger, main battery lead to battery socket, and balance wires to balance socket. The charger starts charging. During the charging process, when the charging status LED glows constant red, the charger is charging. When the charger status LED grows orange, charger is in CV mode. When the battery is fully charged, the status LED will glow constant green. So that's how you know your status is green, your battery is charged. So if you have any questions, take a look at your instruction manual or take a look at this video. The light will go out when it's done, or it's green when it's done. So that's how you know to change your battery out. So this is what you need for doing micro batteries. My next video I'll do for Cobra batteries.